Hi everyone, welcome to SJ's Garden. Today in this video we are going to harvest cauliflowers for the first time in our garden. I have posted cauliflower harvest videos before, but this was the very first one we tasted. We have around 20 plants growing all around the backyard, and beginning with this we will be harvesting them continuously for next few weeks. I have sowed the seeds directly in ground and replanted them. During first month I gave them fish fertilizers once, and that's it. Now we are harvesting good size tasty cauliflowers. These are organic snowball cauliflower seeds I bought in some nursery from LA. To give some benefits of it, cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable that is naturally high in fiber and B vitamins. It provides antioxidants and phytonutrients that can protect against cancer. It also contains fiber to enhance weight loss and digestion, choline that is essential for learning and memory, and many other important nutrients the cauliflower has. So now we are going to make a delicious recipe with that. Let's go into kitchen and cook a cauliflower rice. For this recipe we need cooked rice, cauliflower, lemons, mint leaves, green hot peppers I just harvested, coriander leaves from our ad also, any salt, turmeric, an imported spice, mustard seeds, and peanuts. I will tell you the story behind this recipe while we cut all these vegetables. In 2018, TTAC presented Cancer Quest 2 in YouTube, where many doctors in different specialties, dietitians, non-allopathic doctors, technicians, pharmacists, and many other talked about cancer causes, food which helps to fight against it, medicine, different treatments and side effects, and so on. One of those episodes covered this recipe with benefits of eating it. So I started cooking it back then. I did not find a beginning video to give you, but I copied one of the episodes link in the description. If you are interested, you can follow other videos with that. Those videos are really helpful and covered a lot of information. Now I will explain the procedure. Cook rice separately with less water than we use for regular white rice. Add lemon juice to the rice and put it separately. Now we put the pan, heat it up, and adding oil. I'm adding olive oil, but you can use any oil of your taste. So we already cut cauliflower and other vegetables into pieces. When oil is hot, add mustard seeds. When they pop, add green chilies, peanuts, and mint leaves. When they are roasted, add cauliflower pieces to cut. Add turmeric, mix it, close the lid and cook it for a few minutes. We can roast peanuts separately and add at the end. It's up to you. Add salt and again cook a little bit. Don't overcook cauliflower until it gets soggy. Once it is 75% cooked, add rice and mix everything well. So we have the rice ready with added lemon juice. I have used 2 whole lemons for this. So after adding rice, mix it thoroughly. Then garnish with coriander leaves to make it ready to serve. That's it. Cauliflower rice is ready to eat. Hope you explore about the link I copied and learn something helpful. Thank you for watching, friends. I will see you in the next video.